Hi everyone, this is Kelly from Bond Machines, and today I'll be reviewing the Vigorelli ZZ/A robot sewing machine. Okay, firstly I would go through the features and do sewing with the machine. Now it has a double thread stand, which you can use when you have your twin needle. It also has different knobs. This here is for the selector for the different designs and pattern. Okay, it has like about 8 inbuilt designs, which can be selected through this knob here also. This here is the switch for the zigzag. Okay, you can also select this from here from like 0 to 4. Okay, and this is for the needle position. When you move this, the needle moves from left to right. Okay, and this is the stopper for the zigzag. Also, it has the stitch length indicator, and for the back stitch, this is also the bobbin winder, and this one here is for the feed dogs. When you want to do the free motion embroidery, it uses a front oscillatory system, meaning you thread from front to back, and it uses the regular size shuttle and bobbin. Okay, so I'll quickly thread the machine and sew with it so you can see how it works. This here is for the regulator of the presser foot, the tension on the presser foot. So I'll quickly sew with it so you see how it works. Thank you. Okay, I already threaded the machine. It's quite easy to thread it. Just put your thread here down to a loop here. Okay, like 2 holes are here. You can actually put in any one of them down to the tension plate, down to this here. Then you bring it down all the way to threading, and you thread from front to back. Like I said, it uses a front oscillatory system. So I'll just do a little sewing and straight stitches, the zigzags, and the other pattern that it has. Okay, all right, so I already connected the motor and all that to the machine, and I'll do some sewing. All right, okay, so all right, so this is it. That's the front sewing. That's the back stitch, front stitch. So I'll do another sewing now. Okay, so you see, that's the output, pretty decent, and all the stitches are perfect stitch. And I also do another one here. So as for the straight stitches, I'll do memory for reduce the stitch length so we can have more tiny stitches. Okay, so I'll do that here, and I'll reduce the stitch length here to like a number 1, and also so see how tiny the stitches are, and pretty tiny there. Now I would want to sew the zigzag. Remember, like I said, it has design, inbuilt design and pattern. So I would, this is where you change it. There's a selector for the zigzag. Like I said, you can select it from here. Once you turn this down to like 4, you're already sewing a zigzag. Okay, there's a number here, 4. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but it has a number 4 here. You can sew the zigzag. So in selecting any of the zigzag patterns, you just hold this down and you turn this here. So I will do that. I'll just put it on, let's say, number 1 here. It has knobs, so I can sew it. You see the output in the cloth on the fabric. Okay, I already set it on number 1. Okay, this one here has I think a Roman numeral 1 here. So I would sew and check the output out. Okay, sewing the number 1 here. I already set this to 1. Let's sew. There's the stitch, there's the pattern for number 1 here. So I'll set that to number 2 and get another design entirely from this. Okay, I've set it on number 2, which is this here. So like so. Now, see, that's like the shape of diamond shape. We call this diamond shape, but it's the output of number 2. So when I take it down to number 3, it comes out another different thing. But also know, if you notice this, it has something like an indicator in between. Okay, this 1, 2, 3. In between also, if you set it onto this one here, you get another design. But let me just go straight to 3 and 4, then I go to the other midsections. Alright, this is number 3, so I'll sew with it now. So that's number 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'll put it down to number 4. Then we'll get another output from the fabric here. Alright, it's on number 4 here now. Okay, so so see, that's another design, number 4. So I'll go to number 5, then I'll go to the midsection designs. Okay, number 5 here, and we sew. Okay, now we have it, number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we also have like I said, the midsection. I will go through that, then we would call it a day. All right.